flourished. Hi guys, good morning. My hair is always like this. I just woke up, being called to come for my staff from Tospino Mall, so I'm going for it. These are gifts that I'm giving to mommy. He got me in a chokehold. I had to walk from my house to a very far place, and I couldn't find him, so I just walked through the lanes that I knew. Then I found him. Guys, let's open them up. I got these earrings. I thought they were smaller. All of them are big. Okay, these are the small ones. So I got about 7 bigger hoops, 2 small ones, then one is an oval shape. Now to the second one, another earring. This earring is for mommy. 2 are for my mom. I know what this is. I'm so excited for it. Finally, I bought a Bluetooth player. There it is. The very color I wanted. I on it and see. Last but not the least, my Christmas decor stuff. I bought 4 of these. I hope they will be sufficient. So there it is. My head is hurting, so I want to relax more. Hi guys, good afternoon. I just entered the hospital premises. So I'm going to work. This morning I was in my zone, in my element, cleaning. It's dead in here the weekend, so people aren't around as compared to daytime. I'm taking in my first meal of the day. I'm eating S-back assorted fried rice. It's not that bad. The place is hectic. A lot of people are around. Let me finish eating. We'll talk to you later. Hi guys. So it's quite dark in here. I'm about to change and go home. It blew my mind. So I'm almost done. I'm just putting my clothes on my hanger. Today was quite hectic. We were only 3, so we were short staffed, but everything was okay. We were able to do what we were supposed to do, and we finished quite early. But I was waiting for some of the night staff to come so that I can go home. Now they are in, I have to go home. Home going now. All my books for my Christmas tree. I'm going to crash when I reach home. See you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, and hit the notification button so that you wouldn't miss any upload from me. Bye guys.